Hello everybody, Merry Christmas from your Elvis Love Child, also known as a Rockin' Hillbilly on YouTube. That's right, I'm the bastard son of the greatest singer ever known to man, my daddy Elvis Presley, who just happened to give me these sunglasses one Christmas. One of the last Christmases we were together. He loved his little boy. A lot of people say, Love Child, will you turn sideways one time just so we can see that striking resemblance one more time? They say that's what your daddy would look like if he were your age. That's exactly right. I am my daddy's spit and image, even the way I sing. But that's only by testimony of others. But anyhow, this song I'm going to redo, change a few words of one of my daddy's songs. It pertains to a night, one Christmas Eve. And it was a sad time. There was a lot of misunderstanding between me and the woman I loved, and probably no less than 10 police officers. But it's all over now. I've gone to therapy. And to that officer that I accidentally kicked in that special place, I hope the bruising and swelling has gone down. But life is good now. And so in remembrance of my daddy, wishing you a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. I'll have a blue Christmas without you. The judge said I can't go around you. A crazed love child, you said, running wild on your street. I'm so ashamed, dear, you called the law. And when those blue strobe lights call me at your front door, your name I was calling. Now I'm taking a ride in a crowd big tonight. Have a blue Christmas. One more time. You know, honey, you lied when you said you loved me. Oh, but I had no cause without you. You know what, honey? I'd rather go on here your low down worthless piece of trash lives than to live without you. But I'm okay, I'm okay. And now I'm taking a ride in a crowd back tonight. But I have a blue Christmas. Oh baby, just let me sing. You look lovely tonight in a glow of blue lights, and I have a blue Christmas. Thank you very much. No, I did not have turkey that Christmas. Have a Merry Christmas. God bless.